This is the other elevator at the Live-In Hotel, Sharonville, Ohio. You have a newer Otis Gen2. This elevator was very clearly added on. You can see it's in the stairwell area. Get a quick cab view. Pretty basic elevator, but not too bad. Head down to 1R. Certificate. Apparently this is elevator 3. I wonder if there's another elevator here that I don't know about. It might be the service elevator though. Now this is just an entrance to the outside. Head up to 3. It's got 2 panels, which is cool. £4,000 capacity. I found this on accident when doing the hotel tour. I had no clue this thing was here. Head back down to 1R. Door close works in this one. I think the series 1's a little cooler just because it's original, but totally found this by surprise, so this was cool. Didn't know this hotel had more than 1 elevator. It's probably a good thing it does though.
Floor. Here. Going up.
We'll end this on 1. This is the elevator by the pool in the hotel.
First floor.
Because on 1 here it lets out right in front of the pool. There's the pool. All right, and there it goes. And that'll be it.